G'day guys, so we're camping out here in the Otways in the Bandos campground, and it was my first time actually camping in the swag in the rain, pouring down rain. I'll tell you what, that swag works an absolute treat. Anyways, woke up this morning fairly hungry, so I've prepared myself a quick vegetarian meal. Got some rice there, got some dill, got some capsicum, potatoes, butter, a few more other things. And we're gonna go now to the fire and cook it up. Now, one thing you want to be mindful of is when you buy these things, I got this from the 4-wheel drive super center, you want to season it so it doesn't oxidize and you provide that protective layer. All right, so I'm going to put this in the fire. I'm going to remove the edges there. All right, and where's the shovel? I love campfire cooking. There we are. Perfect. Now I'll just pack my swag up, get ready to go, and by that time the food should be ready. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy. G'day guys, so our food is ready. Now we're just going to serve the boys up with some lunch and we'll go from there. Now I'm actually going to have a taste, see how it's like. God, that's definitely one of the best meals I've ever tasted. That is so good. Guys, I'm going to leave you guys to it and I'm going to get stuck in.